Hello there, this is another Seeing Geometry video, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to construct a square. So the first step is create a straight line like this. The second step is put a point on this line. Now from this point create a circle. Where this circle intersects the line, add another 2 points. Now let us name these points. This point is going to be called A, this point is going to be called B, and this point is going to be called C. From the center C, create another circle with the radius AC. From the center A, create another circle with the radius AC, like this. Where these new circles intersect, create another 2 points. Name this point over here D, and this point over here E. Now draw another line going through D and E, like this. The next step is to leave a point on this line over here. From B to your new point, that is going to be the length of your square, okay? And let us name this point over here F. Now from the center B, create another circle. This circle is going to have the radius BF, okay? So, let us create this circle. Where this circle intersects this line over here, create another point. Call this point G, okay? Like this. Now from the center F, create another circle. This circle is going to have the radius FB, like this. Okay. Now from the center G, create your final circle. This circle is going to have the radius GB. Okay. So create another circle like this. Where this circle over here intersects this circle over here, create another point. Now, name this point over here. Let us call it H. If we connect the points GB, then BF, then FH, then HG, what we get is a perfect square. The good thing about this way of constructing the square is that you get to select the length of your square, like we did in the case of B to F. Now, how can we tell that this is a perfect square? Well, B to F is the radius of this circle over here, and the same can be said for H to F. Okay, so B to F is equivalent to H to F. B to F is also the radius of this circle over here. And the same is true for G to B, okay? So G to B is equivalent to B to F, which is equivalent to F to H. Now it turns out that B to G is the radius of this circle over here. But that is also the case for G to H over here. So B to G is equivalent to G to H. And if that is true, all of these sides are equivalent in length. Okay? So we have a perfect square. Now you may have a question about the angles within this square. How do we know that they are equal to 90 degrees? Well, at the start of this video, we constructed this line over here, then bisected it. that means that the angle over here must be equal to 90 degrees. And because of the way in which we constructed these other circles, by geometrical principles, the other angles within this square must be equal to 90 degrees. I'm not going to go too much into the details because I think it's fairly obvious that we do have a square. This program is also telling us that it's the case, okay? So I'm going to trust that. If you like this geometric video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, as I'll be making more videos like this. For extra mathematics proofs, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Here I post GCSE and A-level mathematics proofs almost on a daily basis. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.